Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Hagley Park Road, and this road was recently renovated. As you can see, very nicely done. Dual carriageway, 4 lanes, a concrete barricade. So the government on the major infrastructure development program renovated a few main roads in Jamaica. The entire project cost $322 million US dollars. Now this was one of the roads that was done through the program. Constant Spring Road was done, Barbican Road was done, Hagley Park Road was done, and a few others. At the time, it was one of the largest projects undertaken for the road development. Though the entire project cost $322 million. That includes all the roads, not just Hagley Park Road. Although Hagley Park Road was probably one of the larger projects. It also included Mandela Highway. So that's the kind of infrastructure program we need, because fixing those roads have really made a difference. Okay, so they fixed the drainage, they paved the road. It was a major project. And it was done by China. The contractor was China Harbour Engineering Company. They are the ones who deal with all the major roadworks in Jamaica now. Ironically, they were not the first one. The French company Bogue was the first major foreign contractor to come in. They built the PJ Patterson Highway, but they were not able to finish the Edward Seaga Highway. So they started the Edward Seaga Highway, and that's the highway that runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios. But they were not able to finish it. So China Harbour Engineering Company came in, they finished that leg of the highway, and they've been building every highway ever since. So the MIDP project now, $322 million US dollars. It was financed 85% by China, the China Exim Bank, and 15% by the Jamaican government. Now, you have to look at it two ways. Some people say, why don't we give the local contractors this kind of work? Well, China Exim Bank is financing 85% of the project, so they have to use China Harbour Engineering Company. And the Czech China Harbour Engineering Company has actually done a very good job with these roads. I would say an excellent job. And so that is just the financial breakdown of how it went. And I think we need another major project like that. Now, the highways are being built along the coast, the Southern Coastal Highway, and then you have Highway 2000 being completed, and that's the road to Mandeville. From Maypen to Mandeville is under construction, and then from Mandeville to Montego Bay will be the last leg of it. So we need another program like the MIDP so that more of these roads can get fixed. These aren't highways, they're just main roads. Because there are so many. Spanish Town Road is under construction, but there are so many that need to be fixed around the country that I think we need another project like that, and hopefully they'll get going soon. Alright, we definitely need a project probably 10 times the size of the MIDP for the residential roads, because those seriously need some help. Alright, but this is Hagley Park Road. This is a 3 miles overpass. It's the only double overpass in Jamaica. And it was also built by China Harbour Engineering Company. It's a double overpass, so we're on the top lane, or the higher of the two overpasses, and this is the Hagley Park Road overpass. Below it is the Spanish Town Road overpass, and then below that you have the original ground level. And the reason why we have the overpass at this spot is because the intersection of Hagley Park Road with Spanish Town Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Alright, so we're coming off the overpass now and heading back on Hagley Park Road towards Halfway Tree.